How to fix Apple ID verification failed. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are two ways to do it, and if one of the way doesn't work for you, you can try up the other way. So for this, just simply open up your settings and then scroll down to the general settings. Simply click on general and scroll down till the very end. Over here you would be able to find the option of reset iPhone. Simply click on it, then click on reset, and this way you would be able to reset your iPhone, and after that your Apple ID should be working quite fine. Just log in using your Apple ID and password. The second way is that you have to force restart your device, and for that just simply press volume up button, then press volume down button. After that you need to press the side button and hold it, and just hold it until you see the Apple logo appears on your phone screen, and after that just release the button and just go with the Apple ID verification, and over there it should be verified after that, and after that you should not face any other problem. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.